Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block YouTube channel. First, open the YouTube app on your iPhone and make sure you are signed into your account. Find a video from the channel you want to block. Tap the channel name or profile picture to open their channel page. On the channel page, tap the three dot in the top corner. From the menu, tap block user or report user, or even you can hide user from your channel. A message will pop up asking you to confirm. Tap block again or hide user. This will stop the channel from commenting on your videos or interacting with you. You can also block a channel directly from a comment. Just tap and hold the comment, then tap block user. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.